Ladies and gentlemen, these are Tipsy Bartender fan submissions, okay? This is the third version. These are the drinks that you guys send us on the website, tipsybartender.com. You could go there and type in your recipes. So this is a blue gummy shark. Okay, let's see what kind of creativity you guys drop now. Ice. Come behind with a little bit of Russian juice, okay? Touch of triple sec. All right. Peach snaps. So this one's on the sweeter side. Blue curacao. Blue curacao and triple sec, pretty much the same thing, but okay, all right. Looking at that. I ain't hating. Shake, 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 shake. All right. And then we pour. Where the gummy? Okay, and this was sent us by my boy Christopher Donolo. I hate on your drink, son. I'm pretty sure it's legit. Okay, next up we have the Applejack number 2. All you guys, oh, look at zooming in, okay? National Geographics right there. Ice, come behind that with some JD. So all you guys out there listening, okay, send us your recipes. Let's get the mix on. Apple juice, loving this. All right, shake, 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 shake. So just Jack and apple juice. This is Sonia S. That's just a simple recipe, but that actually might kind of work a little bit. It's kind of cool. Okay, this is the pancake shot here. Let's see what you got here. So we come in with some ice, some Jameson. I like the creativity you guys bring in, because we love making your drinks more than the stuff that we come up with. Butterscotch snaps. Because y'all have there's no rules. Just do whatever you want to mix whatever you want to mix. Orange juice. So this is very similar to this other pancake shot or breakfast shot that's out there, but you have all the ingredients mixed together. Okay, user submitted, you didn't give us your name. But I've seen a variation of this shot before. Okay, this is the Dubliner. Let's check this out. Start off with some Irish cream. Loving it. Come behind that with a little bit of Jameson. Okay, get our spoon in there. Okay. Great. Okay. By Sean Guthrie. Okay, let me tell you something about that drink right there though. That one is very similar to what you get when you get it with an Irish car bomb. Okay? It's there's a lot of similarities between that. Just missing the Guinness. Okay, so that's the pancake one. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. The gummy one. The thing is, it's hard to test the shots because I can't just go down the line doing 4 shots, guys. So don't expect me to drink all these, okay? Let's check out the Jack one. Jack and yeah, you guys solid. Stay tipsy. Send us your recipes.